How to fix CS2 unable to establish connection with server. So for this, you need to go to open the stream and go to settings, and here you can go to downloads and scroll down. Here you can see clear data cache is there. You need to click it and clear the cache. Once you click confirm, it automatically come outside of the stream. So again, you need to reopen the stream. Again, now you need to go to library. Storage. Go to storage and check whether the minimum it have a 50 to 60 GB with the free space, and go to repair library and click it. Now it's repairing the library. Once it's completed, close it and come back. And now you need to search for run and click local app data and click it. This screen will appear. In this you need to scroll down and go to temp, and you need to delete the entire because it's just a temp file, so it's not a real game or something file. It's only temp file. Some files are not unable to delete because it's running in background the application, so you can close it, no problem. And after I need to come and search for CMD and go to run as administrative, and in this you need to type the 3 steps. First step is ipconfig space slash flush DNS. You need to type this and click enter. Successfully flash the DNS. Then next step, netsh winsock reset. Click enter. And third step, netsh int IP reset. This is the important steps, so make sure. And after check all the things will be fine, then go to exit. And at the last step, you need to go to settings. Then go to network and internet settings. Go to advanced settings. And here you can see the network reset is done. You need to click and need to reset. Once you reset, it will remove and reinstall all the network settings, so make it fresh. So this is how to fix the issue. Thank you.